In this video, I'm going to show you a best practice for dealing with noise at the beginning or end of a segment when using the HRV or cardiac impedance analysis applications. Here I have a data file loaded, and my attention is clearly drawn to the beginning of this segment. I'm going to launch the signal editor to investigate. Once in the signal editor, I'm going to select the horizontal zoom tool by left-clicking on the zoom options and choosing the middle entry in the upper row. I'm going to click to the right of the noise, and while holding the mouse, drag to the left of it and release to get a closer look at what's going on. Here we can see the noise, most likely caused by subject movement or poor electrode contact. This noise is resulting in erroneously marked R peaks on the signal. Rather than deleting each of them individually using the delete tool, I can delete them all at once using the blue vertical cursors on the graph, referred to as X cursors because they move along the X axis. I'm going to switch to my cursor tool and left-click on the high X cursor and move it out of the way by holding my mouse button and dragging it. Next, I'm going to drag the low X cursor so that it is to the right of the noise. In the point editing section of the toolbar, there are options for deleting and inserting points based on the X and Y cursors. The arrows on the buttons indicate the region where points will be modified. Inward-facing arrows indicate the points will be modified between the cursors. By pressing different combinations of Control and Shift, the behavior of these buttons change. When pressing Control, the arrows indicate that the points will be modified to the left of the X cursor. This is what I want to use to delete all points from the beginning of the segment. With the Control key held down, click the Delete Points button to automatically delete all of the points to the left of the low X cursor. Now I can see the points have been removed, but the signal itself remains as an indication of why these points were deleted to anyone who views these edits in the future. When removing erroneous R peaks from the beginning or end of a segment in the HRV application, be sure enough good data remains in the segment. For accurate calculation of respiratory sinus arrhythmia, or RSA, using the spectral method, a minimum of 30 seconds of continuous R peaks are required.